meeting between Kumasi Asante Kotoko IMC no, and then the technical team of Krobia Asante Kotoko headed by Karim Zito. Now we know a emergency meeting. The usual meeting a battle between Kumasi Asante Kotoko and the IMC after every game. And this time around, it was after Basake Holy Stars game, and Monday. A technical meeting in collaboration with the IMC. Now we have some outcome from this particular meeting. The Asia Waha. The IMC at defining your maybe to the coach Karim Zito, and coach also actually nanim kwan warrender explanation be to the IMC. A wholesome Waha me de Asia Waha. And when ye better than a report ebe to just say Kumasa Sante Kotoko midfielder your friend Hubert Joe or also to say clubs me no kono ho ntokwa pa enye ntokwa ketwa na as we speak to say no amanfo se Kotoko nje ebisi ba Kotoko nje sika no how much involved eno ho nso nsem kakra ewa ha ye de Asia fie ha pepacho wa ha Super 24 TV unsubscribe ya wararoma na wa hit the red subscribe button no so na wabadoma no so na build it together information we ase na tembia no di say ye de ba the factor say ye de ba no na ye make sure say ye de ba on this particular platform Super 24 TV. Mr. Unsubscribe ya no wa hit the red subscribe button na wabadoma no so na build it together information no be bring we ase na aha no ye make sure say ye filter news no they the most deserving news you ought to hear na ye de abehwehwim ewo Super 24 TV no so ye gu so eje aboafo wo dwedi hu de wo bi da opesa wo ba na wo de aba 0247107260 0247107260 na afi ye di kasubom no together sawuni ade bi a opesa wo bo hu de wo kra na opese oboa super edwumadi a afi adwen se ye bekọ ye nimpa na ye estimation a ye nko aye timinye nti wadaroma otaha na wa get on board so le be chono na ye dikasubo together. We are going to be highly appreciative of anything you give out as a sponsor for us here at Super 24 TV. Me and Medano has say it will reach out. We are going to have an interesting conversation with you. Over subscribe na fi wabadoma no so na wa join the Kotoko reaction 0247 107260 0247 107260 na and also ade kakra ewo ho and the date near 27th of January 2026, the year of our Lord. Let's take this message as our light for our path. If someone trusts you, never betray that person. So obinya omujidia Gidi pa say o Judy or the Jumedi we are showing sir. And betray the trust that. In betray the trust. Gidi na wanya no muno. Or Judy intina wajanyo maybe ama ono. Nti se obinya omugidie ewa asasi so a. In betray the trust. In betray the trust. They also we sauti tikra na yeah. And you are going to earn that reward. Se nipa enewia sepa enye ize o so obi benya omugidie nti sa obinya omugidie a don't joke about it. Se edwuma na odi a show say ya make sure say edwuma no why ne kama. Se na ade bi no se hweso ma na make sure say wahwe so ye kama because gidie enewia se no awarefo omuntem kura omugidie sem ewo fom na wo na obi anya omugidie. Master, never betray the trust of that person. Otufo na kopon emwa yi nyina eno ene the message for our life for our path and then aye de enam so ewo super no so na afi yenko ensem na abrante bi trend wo Ghana na me back comment section as na me uza mavubu say super we dey hwan ni your friend I show speed and no guy be or American ni o streamy and or Rwanda or Nigeria or Senegal or Benin and recently or Cote d'Ivoire or free Cote d'Ivoire or Ghana or visit African countries na wa showcase we are say the Africa ena oba African tour and no be PM Ghana and no oba no wabe chile pa wajineni and wa experience Ghana. Omode de call various tourist sites in Ghana, Equiapem, the waterfalls, omode de call the national friend the same square Kwame Nkrumah Square hono. Almost had ne ba bebre and no experience Ghana. Na ni stream no sa o stream the total platforms ni na no about 50 million Ghana cry say Ghana 32 million. It's sa cry no boy no I show speed no or massive following online pan na asem ketwa. And also any edra the course wo Ghana na amanfo ebusa say na ye hwan na agent trend hwan na trend this no that particular guy. Now mamen Kotoko nsem num Hubert Joe obeko anasa obetena mre ene nkrabia ene ekire Hubert Joe. The information I inside can say Kotoko place $400,000 and they are ton so. One say Hubert Joe's situation is quite different from the other players. Hubert Joe is still under contract with Asante Kotoko till 2030. So it's between and now goes 2030 no. And now I feel obeka say me try my contract also. So contract versus 2030 oh no, you have to be ready to be sold. Also Kotoko town. So we call this a Kotoko town. On the almost as zero or share Kotoko ase. The situation is quite different from Peter Midwa Kwamone other guys. Now Peter Midwa Kwamokrano. So mo no genyo agent for no na sebi. Ebi mu ye greedy a. Omo de no so. Sa omo contract ni be June. Into June between and now kosi June no. Kwa nso Kotoko betima negotiate on their behalf. Na ayede Kotoko negotiate on their behalf ska bi ebebem bia no. Na baby opeso okọ. Kotoko ajiska no okọ. But this is the case Peter Midwakwa Kamara to a certain extent Samba Unel no. Because the contract is almost ended. Intina agent for no so ayo ma dwen say omo bebo last year na ade na so na omo ko free no. However, Hubert Joe there is a big opportunity for Kotoko to cash out directly. Hubert Joe free team by become Chelsea on. Until with this contest no, sa Kotoko tibi no $400,000 I think they become for no benya adena meme say eni kwa wasi etwam wo Ghana football mu kra no omo friend say onward transfer fee na no this week before Kotoko ne before Kotoko ne Basaki All Stars before sa week no na pinkra konkran na formation amete de say sika no ho nhyehyeye obo percentage Great Olympics ne de come on we ade a waton na mana wi afi wawo mema koton na wo say pay share wo pay interest. Where does this one happen? Enye Ghana ne yenwoma ya, where does this happen? Let's sign a very very good contract moving forward. If some Kotoko player currently sa yenwoma na yebetwam even though the club no so aye ne nhyehyeye say chinchina ya ose menso me di shame na me di shame akoye say menso mabenya bargaining power, but I think say it is not fair. What on now turn what you seek will be moving on. So with Hubert Jody no dear abane say the Kaizer Chiefs forum are willing, and I said are willing to sign the player. However, Kotoko has placed 400,000. It's between and Tima Obeye scouting earlier on, which is Magellan for also are not giving up. So between Magellan and the Kaizer Chiefs for the Obetimi Amache Kotoko demand no, he is likely to take Hubert Joe. And now let me about who commented on the other video say we are destroying the players then. But it's Canaba. It's Canaba. Obi be say ebeko corner de nkenko true. Ana say nke ebeko goal de nkenko corner. Enti sa player no ekwan bi so no Kotoko betimi earn bibi from him. I think say we should earn something from him. And you better Kotoko, me not just Kotoko ton more than 2 billion, which is 200,000 Ghana cedis. You never come Chelsea, you have a fine relationship. Just imagine player out on $10,000 and other $20,000. Now and then Okoton $400,000. A big business and a Kotoko. And Kotoko, soldier go, soldier comes. Soldier go, soldier comes. Barracks remains the same. So obi kwa yebenya obi fufura or ye better abishim. And player no we Kaizer Chiefs in your bad. Even though some men support sa no man. But sa obekọ na Kotoko benya bibia. We are good for it. Frederick Asare ko Kotoko enya kapre Frederick Asare pa me kai sa season na no bono no so the season ni be wie obekọ season ni be wie obekọ. And I want extend the armor Kotoko and you be an agent for no wako share South African club on. Again, no akatai and ten in Kabium, but Ojina Kapia, obviously that's the most important thing. So this is the latest on Hubert Joe to either Kaizer Chiefs or Tima Efreno FC Midtjylland or Denmark and few details I and Saka and I sure say the details kakra I and Sabeka concerning that report no now Kumasa Asante Kotoko IMC no and then Karim Zito Asia and Karim Zito a brief year more after the Basaki win no. The assurance is that still now Karim Zito has told Kotoko management they say the league even though it is 7 points clear between Mediama or Dasoro and the Kotoko that second. Kotoko technical team no believe it say it is still possible for Kotoko to take over the first position and win the league. This is a statement coming from the head coach of Asante Kotoko. Now, ono de wakana say, but Kotoko IMC no insist on adebia last na make no. Ase na me wo mutiri. Kotoko IMC also insisted to Karim Zito and in the technical team they say. And I know no boy no. Against Basaki All Stars. Super performance. Your boy Abasu. Your boy Abasu we are ye catch no say. Sa performance we ento aso. One Heart of Lions. One has a full game no. Sa performance no ento aso. And Kotoko should do away with inconsistency. Omon can't say win 6 points between these two games. Has a full game ready full. Especially Albert Crano Asa Baby and it has for no. Omobaba Bayara. Kotoko Baba show. Na Heart of Lion games no. Kotoko ebe koho. And no. And I'm penny for say the consistency in results no should reflect in the next game against Heart of Lions. This is all the IMC is asking for. Meanwhile, Karim Zito no there. What Chirim say it is within reach for him to win the league. Worst case scenario. Some league, Kotoko entime anjia, the MTN FA Cup, Kotoko should win it. To go back to Africa and leverage on this year, Africa Kotoko Koya will free mono. To leverage on that experience and to build on that experience and go far in the next Africa. this is a resolution between Kumasi Asante Kotoko, IMC no, and coach Karim Zito. So coach no assure IMC no say it is not too late. He can win the league. And it's a confident statement from Karim Zito. We are saying Asante was saying, he can win the league. Even though say at this time, many pundits are actually declaring say, baby I didn't do the media margin. Sanka, ya bought a couple 5 games be in a media lead 7 points. I will say media margin, but games now can also. Only 2 lose, and I said 3 lose. A bit mama media ma every top war. Ama Kotoko dan chino akoso. Enti problem ni nyina ne say sa Kotoko enya consistent results which the IMC has stressed about this to the coach. Sa consistent results ne ba. Second position, Kotoko can move to first position at the end of the league. I'm very confident about this. That's why I'm taking my time to carry this particular story. And I'm very hopeful. So Kotoko na consistent results now. Mediama obeslepe. Mediama beslepe. Mediama second round ni obebo Kotoko. Even though say I think yani ebeko. Obebo has. Obebo Aduana. So, these 3 games is not easy game for Mediama. No matter how you look at it, there is opportunity for Kotoko to win the league and go back to Africa. Worst case scenario, win the MTN FA Cup. And the MTN FA Cup no draw the Bebaso. You call round of 16. See, I got 16 teams. Into 16 teams, then you call na yabo iwi ana quarter final round of 8 na semi final last 4 na final last 2